You can earn extra cash for your next buy when you sell your pre-loved fashion on eBay. Getting your items ready to sell is easy. You can be ready to go in only a few steps using our listing tips. First, choose a title that stands out. Make sure you include your item's condition, brand, product name, specifics, and more for extra visibility. When you write your description, select Use AI Description, and our AI tool will create an attention-grabbing description which you can use as is, edit, or take inspo from to write your own. Next, capture all the angles. Make sure you get the front and back of flat garments and the sides for items like shoes and bags. Also, make sure any blemishes or scratches are shown in your pics so buyers know exactly what they're getting. You can add up to 24 pics, but 4 to 12 are ideal. Give your pics a glow up with our AI background enhancement tool, which can transform them and give them a professional and uniform look. To price your item competitively, check out similar recent sales on eBay via our search pages. You can find this by selecting sold items. You can also use our research tool in the Selling tab, or follow our recommended pricing for a quick and simple sale. Almost there. Now, choose a delivery option that suits your schedule. If you select eBay postage labels, you'll get the first sale free, and for your next sales, you can also choose to offer free postage for the buyer or keep this cost with them. With eBay postage labels, we'll calculate the lowest postage cost and service for you or the buyer with tracking included. Now, your item is ready to sell. If you selected eBay postage labels, you'll receive an email to pay for or print your label once your item sells. This can also be found in your Seller Hub page. We've got your back with eBay's Seller Protections. We know there are things you can't control, so you can sell confidently and we'll cover the rest. Now you know how to sell your pre-loved fashion on eBay. Make the most of our useful tools and kickstart your selling journey today.